guys, this is part 2. Running away from my sister. Lana still got the phone. That's Crispy. And I'm Pug. / Toxic Pug. I don't even know what she's doing.
Oh,
run! Run! Just try to run home! You're stealing those. No, that's where the bear is! Guys, he said, who cares? Who cares? Who gives a shot? Shot means craphead.
I don't know if this is bad or not. I'm sorry, Enya, but just having fun.
Here, Enya. Hey, Enya. Here, take this.
Ashton, don't do that. You can break it.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a red car coming. Give me my phone now. Should I?
No.
Do it now.
Guys, make sure to check out the first part.
Close up. Okay. No, there you go. Don't delete that video.
Story time. Okay, one time, me and my friend Lance were just at the beach, right? We were just at the beach, right? Sorry, that's really bright. Sorry if I'm blinking, right? And me and Lance went onto this fence, right? We went onto this fence, and there's this guy who pulled up in a white van right by us. And Cash and his grandma were in the water. And they're like, okay, just go over there to dry off. Don't do anything. And the guy in the white van pulled up on us, and he was like, hey, if you jump off of that thing and then get in our car, I'll give you some money or some candy. And Cash's grandma was like, no, get away, Ashton, let's get away.
Oh, you're
So we
telling
literally sprinted it.
Story.
Yeah. Very scary. Here
Yes,
you go.
it is. You the one that wanted to come.
Yep.
So we're walking to... Let's go. We're running. Oh, shit. I just flipped the cam.
We're all friends together.
Look at her, she's walking Abby. But we say no to walking Abby. You want to know why? Because she was forced to come. And we didn't even want it. Nice.
Oh yeah, you guys, I feel way better. Don't have that stuck up nose. You can't hear me go, oh yeah, anymore. So
Hey, you can't sound like a pig no more.
so you know how we did a Shallows video? We're thinking of doing a bad Shallows video.
Yeah. I was thinking of
ones that you should not subscribe to.
like Cash Simeon
And
dislike all his videos.
So
Oh,
all my videos have one dislike.
he's running!
It's bad. So it's chasing us. No. First of all my videos have at least one dislike. That's all from this guy named Cash Man. He's like one of my friends. He disliked all my videos and subscribed. And I was like, why, Cash? And he's like, it's funny. I'm like, it's not funny.
So now, dislike all his videos, but subscribe.
No, don't subscribe to him, actually.
Yeah.
Actually,
Let's get into that YouTube beef.
Nope. Okay.
Look at this.
That's pretty much gonna be the video for today, guys. It's Crispy. With Crispy. Bye.